Today we're going to write an anti-test. First, let's go to test.anti.xyz to go to our anti-community test repo and fork the repo to your own private repository. Once there, we need to set up a GitHub access token by clicking in the link in the instructions. This generates a token which we will copy and then paste into Remix. Going into Remix, under settings page, we can go scroll down and add in the GitHub access token. This will sync our GitHub with Remix. And then we can clone a new repo, or the existing repo, that we had forked just earlier. And copying and pasting that, it will be put into the Remix folder. The anti-test we're going to write today is an NFT balance test. To do this, we're going to copy the template of anti NFT balance test and use that to write our anti-test. So we can go into contracts, templates, and copy the anti NFT balance test template. Once copied, the protocol we're going to use it on is Shiba. So I make a new folder called Shiba and paste the template into that folder. Now that the template is ready, we're going to take all the parts where it says token and copy the contract address into it, as well as the section where we have IERC721. And lastly, we're going to copy the Etherscan link and place it where the token is. Now we're going to take the address of the holder we want to check and place it into every section where it says holder, as well as the constant variable holder address. Similarly, we're going to copy the Etherscan link as well for this holder. Now we're going to add the threshold number that we want to make sure that this holder remains above. And in this case, it will be 400. So we add that to every threshold slot. Once completed, click the plus sign to add your new test into your repository. Write a message in the git commit to describe what this test is, and then click git commit. Afterwards, click the push button to push this new commit into your repository. You will now see in your fork repository that your branch is now one commit ahead of anti-finance main. To contribute, we will click the contribute button and open pull request, which will then open a pull request with the main branch of anti-finance. Look this over, and once it's good, click create pull request and we're done.